When considering buying gold with your 401k funds, it's essential to understand how the process works. First, ensure your 401k funds are eligible for a rollover. Typically, if you've parted ways with your employer or are over 59 and a half years old, you're eligible. Next, you need to open a self-directed IRA with a custodian that specializes in precious metals IRAs. Birch Gold Group can help you with this process. After your self-directed IRA is set up, you can initiate a rollover from your 401k. This involves transferring funds from your 401k to your new IRA account. Once the funds are in your self-directed IRA, you can select the gold products you wish to buy. Birch Gold will help to facilitate your purchase. After that, an approved depository will handle the storage of your gold. Finally, you can sit back and reap the benefits of a gold IRA, which include diversifying your retirement savings, reducing overall risk by balancing your assets across different investment types, serving as a strong hedge against inflation, preserving your purchasing power over time, tax-deferred growth, meaning you won't pay taxes on gains until you withdraw the funds, and peace of mind, regardless of what's happening in the economy. Buying gold with your 401k can be a strategic move to diversify and protect your retirement savings. Birch Gold can help you follow the correct rollover procedures to protect your nest egg without taxes or penalties. To learn more about buying gold with a 401k, visit birchgold.com.